Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nada from H&N Gourmet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making one of my favorite quick dessert recipes, Nutella French toast. If you're looking for a quick dessert recipe, then this recipe is just for you. Alright, so all you need is a bowl, add 1 egg in it and whisk it well. Now this dessert is so yummy and so easy to make. It literally just takes 5 minutes of your time to make it. You can have it after dinner or even after lunch, or if you have slightly sweet tooth, then you can have it as a breakfast as well. Back to our recipe. So after you whisk your egg well, you add half cup of milk. Next we need vanilla essence. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into the mixture and mix well. Then add just a pinch of cardamom powder. Now this is optional. If you want to skip this step, it's totally up to you. Okay, our egg mixture is ready. Now put that aside. Take a piece of bread and with the help of spoon, press down in the middle like so. Here comes my favorite part. You're gonna take some Nutella and add it in the middle. Now take another piece of bread and make a sandwich. Press down on the corners. You can do it with a spoon, or you can just use your hands to kind of seal the corners. Now it's time to make our French toast. Heat a tablespoon of butter in a pan. Now dip the sandwich into the egg and milk mixture. Make sure to completely coat it in that mixture and then it goes onto the pan. You need to fry this until it gets a nice golden brown color on both sides. And our yummy Nutella French toast is ready. It's so simple, it's quick, you don't need a lot of ingredients to make it, and yet it tastes so good. So now we're just going to repeat the same process. Second French toast is also ready. It's time to plate up. Now you can scoop some vanilla ice cream on it, drizzle some chocolate syrup, and there you have it. Look at that deliciousness. I mean, it just makes your mouth waters. I just couldn't wait any longer and I straight away just digged into it. Look at that Nutella oozing out of the sandwich. That's it for this recipe, guys. If you like my videos, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you want to watch more amazing recipes coming up, then press on the bell icon as well to stay updated. I'll see you all in the next video. Happy drooling!